The Asian countries, it's where you should go to meet diverse people and bond with them all. The Asian countries, it's your home that keeps us united for generations to come. Oh yeah, 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 yeah.
After miles of silence, the bonds frayed by pain can heal, if given light, space, and the will to trust again.
I am longing for laughter to fill our home again.
I can't keep smiling when my heart aches.
I forgive you, Danny. I want us to be free from old hurts.
I want to return not to a house, but to a heart that holds mine.
In that hushed meeting by the waves, they found more than forgiveness. They rediscovered choice and the courage to rebuild what was lost. And it's the love of their family. They are not a perfect family, but they are alive, choosing each other day by day. Their journey continues with hope as their compass and love as their home.